The apex has been done already. You can find a video link in the description below. Apply the base gel evenly, keep a gap between the skin and the product. Do the chevron with Snow White by dipping into the powder both sides. In that moment, you did the chevron dip into the pink powder called Pampered. Do this process on 5 fingers. You have to be fast with the tips, otherwise the base gel dries, and the pink powder won't stick in. Take off the excess powder with a Future Nails dust brush. Do the second layer. The white tip has to be exactly there, where the first is. Take off the excess powder with a Future Nails dust brush. We are doing a third layer. Do the white tips, then use clear top powder instead of pink. Use a Future Nails hand file to make the tips smooth if needed. Take off the excess powder. Apply a layer of base gel, and dip into the clear top powder. Do the shaping and buffing. Apply the activator generously, then wait 1 minute. This liquid sets the top coat. Do the first layer of top coat in thin layer quickly. Wait until it is dry. This is the second layer of top coat, which should be thicker. This layer gives you a glossy finish. It is bone dry in about a minute. Glossier than ever.